What is up, guys? Welcome back. Techie Garage here. As you saw in the last video earlier today, we did the unboxing, and so now this is since last time on camera. Like I said, I installed the DDR3. The DDR2 is out because, well, for one, I can't run both because I believe they're two different voltages anyways, and they're two different generations. So 2's out, 3's in, and now we're gonna post, and hopefully if it posts, we'll be running 16 gigs RAM. I'm excited and nervous. I really hope this works, because I'd really love to be able to run 16 gigs RAM in the system, but if it doesn't, I'm kind of at a loss of what my next step would be. So without further ado, I'm delaying the inevitable, or hopefully not the inevitable, either way that goes. So let's do it. Let's start it up. I got power hooked up. I believe the power switch is, I'm going to check the power switch on the power supply to make sure it's on. And I got video, all that good stuff. Well, my monitor's on standby sleep anyways. The red light's flashing in the corner, you can't see it but it's flashing. So, and I got the keyboard because we're only going to be able to get into BIOS, because the only storage drive I believe that's hooked up right now should or will be the SSD, because that's what I have plugged in from the last however many videos ago. So that's one we're going to be putting Windows 7 on, not Linux, because it's still going to say Windows 7, this is still going to say Intel, like, all that stuff's not changing. So, yeah, let's get to it. I'm going to check the switch real quick, and then we'll get started. Alright, the switch is in the on position, so we're good to go. Here, cross your fingers, your toes, whatever else you need to cross. Here we go. Moment of truth. Oh. I'm starting to think that I don't know. I feel like that should have posted. I really do. Like, I don't see a reason why that shouldn't have. And what strikes me with this is my RAM in the other system, that's DDR3, because 1600 it runs slower. Regardless of that, that stuff I can put in this machine, no big deal. So now this is the second set of DDR3 that I can't get to post. So without dragging this video out any further, I will go ahead and leave it there. I will try to tinker with a few basic things. I'll switch video or whatnot. Like, I'll try a few different things, and I'll let you know in one of the next videos, like, what I've tried and if it was successful or not. But I'm sorry we won't be able to post together. I really wanted to be able to do that. Doesn't look like that's gonna be a thing, so when and if I figure out what the issue is, we'll go from there. So, yeah. Sorry this didn't work out, but, you know, it is what it is. Like and subscribe. If you don't like the video, go ahead and thumbs it down. I'll understand. And we will see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Techie Garage out.